Michaela, we're making our way here in LA County to herd immunity. 3.3 of the 10 million LA County residents have been fully vaccinated with both shots. Adding this age range to the Pfizer vaccine, 12 to 15-year-olds will add another 500,000 eligible residents, but they need to get to those sites and get those shots in their arms. So I want to show you the setup here at Cal State LA's vaccination site. When we were here last month for the surplus of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, no appointments. This place was packed this morning. This is the second day this week the site's offering Pfizer, no appointment needed, and we're not seeing very many people here so far. But it was yesterday the Food and Drug Administration authorized emergency use of Pfizer's vaccine on children 12 to 15. It came after Pfizer conducted a vaccine study. Over 2,000 volunteers in that age group. They found no cases of COVID among the fully vaccinated teens. Now what happens is a CDC Federal Vaccine Advisory Committee set to meet tomorrow on that age expansion, with shots being administered to 12 to 15-year-olds as early as later this week.
I really have no concerns about safety for the vaccine. In fact, my own daughter is 13 years old, and she's going to be the first one in line, not just because I'm telling her to, but she wants it. And the sense of relief that she's going to get from getting this vaccine, to me, is absolutely priceless.
So he's actually
Early in the vaccine rollout, health officials here in LA County, they'd estimated the bulk of the population, 80%, would be inoculated by the end of June. It's now predicted that that'll be reached by mid to late July, roughly 80% of eligible residents being vaccinated. Back out here live at Cal State LA, vaccinations start at 8 o'clock this morning, and all county and city sites, Michaela, no appointment is needed. So it'll be interesting to see how many people actually show up to this site now that they've removed that appointment requirement.
It gives people so much more flexibility, especially with kids and in the online learning, et cetera. But again, this is going to be a game changer, considering that kids will be heading back to school in the fall. Mario, right? So many more kids with vaccinations in their arm in the school districts.
Yeah, and you also have to think about the outreach that the county and city is still working on, getting those mobile units out to different communities, setting these vaccination clinics in workplaces. So adding that age group, 12 to 15-year-olds, that's just another step in reaching herd immunity and getting the shots out to people.